Just a minute, I'm setting it. It will take a few minutes. Have a little patience. Okay, correct. Now it's okay. Full board visible. Yes. Previous class, that is class number BSK class number 166 or deflection of beam class number 16. That is yesterday I took the class. We have to find maximum deflection. I explained everything there. How to find maximum deflection. You should find deflection at here. See this extreme end. Some deflection will come. This extreme end. Some deflection. And between support. Somewhere maximum, between the support there will be some maximum deflection. That is 3 places deflection can come maximum. One chance. It can come among all the values. Maximum can come here, or again among all the values maximum can come here, or if this is light bending, heavy bending here, maximum can come somewhere in the span. These all discussed then. So therefore, to get maximum deflection for the beam, you need deflection at left extreme and free end C, deflection at right extreme end D, deflection at C already calculated earlier, deflection at D already calculated earlier, otherwise calculate now. Now we want maximum deflection between AB. For that unknown point, I told you it is most likely to come between E and F. This all I discussed last time. Then what to do? You should know where is that point, some point X, at X from here. We are assuming that point X after E before F. But remember, origin is at C. Origin is C. From CX. Now, wherever deflection is maximum, slope equal to 0. So, this is a usual procedure. It is not first time. We are doing every day this one. Every class. Equate theta x to 0 for x between E and F. When x is between E and F, your x has to come more than 8, less than 12. So, you should equate theta x equation or equate theta x to 0, or that you should use the equation only for that value, or only those terms should be considered for which x should not exceed 8 or x should be within 8. So when you equate, see, this is there, C1, 150 into x square by 2, yes, correct, x minus 3, positive, why? Because x is more than 8. X minus 3, positive. X minus 8. See, this is x minus 3. This is x minus 8. Oh, sorry. Not 8 meter, 12 meter. I forgot. Okay. Sometime it happens. X should be more than 8, less than 12. What to do? See, actually, this is a retake of the class. Yesterday, I got annoyed. So, because I got a little disturbed, I will tell you, I waited for 10 minutes. I everything explained. What is the value of x? Nobody gave the answer. You should know, this class I am taking for your benefit. I want maximum people to get the benefit and structural knowledge. Still, if you don't respond, it gives frustration. So then why? I am taking class for my knowledge. People should think of that one. So what is the condition? X more than 8, less than 12. So see, when x is more than 8, this term also is positive. Okay, but x minus 12 will become negative to stop here. So I stopped there. This all explained. I asked value of x and waited for around 10-15 minutes. Then suddenly I went there and stopped the class. Now, today evening usual time 7:30 there will be class number deflection class number 17 or BSK class number 167. Okay, there I am solving same question. I do not want to continue this one there. So I decided better finish that one. See, at least now start having some more interest and involve yourself and show that you are really interested. That gives you somewhat more enthusiasm to me. Simply not coming live, only see recording. Okay, you can use the recording, but at least participate. At least I'll be knowing I think 1 or 2 days earlier, many people came. I don't know what happened suddenly for them. Okay, now, x how much? Actually, I solved them. I noted the answer there. It will come 9.0865 because I do not want to waste time now here. X came 9.0865 meter. Therefore, see, note, x equal to that x value, whatever you got, that is 9.0865 meter is more than 8 but less than 12. Therefore, you write here our assumption or decision of y maximum between E and F, for which x should be more than 8, less than 12, is perfectly correct. Don't just put a right mark there. Right, perfectly correct. Okay, now last part. Now you know where is the maximum deflection. So I can remove this, all this one now. This also not required. Okay, now slope also not required. I want only deflection equation. See, now last part, even this also not required. I can use it. So I can use all this space now so that even this equation also not required. Okay, now lastly, therefore conclusion. What is the conclusion? The conclusion is maximum deflection. Remember, it is not maximum deflection for the entire beam. Maximum deflection between supports, that is between A and B, will be at what distance? Will be between the points E and F, comma, at what distance? From C, 9.0865 meter from origin at C. Red I am not using, over. Now to get y max, that y max, right? Y max between A and B supports. What you do? Substitute x equal to 9.0865. In case some mistake is there, correct it. In deflection equation, you write EI y max. See, y max in the upward between A and B. It is not y max for the entire beam. Y max between A and B equal to, see the equation, C1 into x. Where is C1? C1 is minus 1878.5 into x is 9.0865 plus C2. We already got C2. I rubbed it out. I know the value of C2. Plus C2 is deflection, C only. 6310.5 is C2. See there. Then minus 150 into x cube by 6. 150 into 9.0865 cube by 6 plus 514.5 into x, 9.0865 minus 3 is positive. How much? 6.0865 cube by 6 minus 36 into 9.0865 minus 3 is plus 6.0865 power 4 by 24, then minus, no place there, I write here, minus 180 into x minus 8. Yes, x is more than 8, so it will come plus 1.09, not 1.08, 1.0865 cube by 6. Now you have to stop. Why? Because next term is x minus 12 will come. Since your x is 9 point something, x minus 12 will be negative. Or x minus 12 comes for the term which one? X minus 12 comes for 120 kN. When you start from here, 120 kN load will be considered only after 12 meter. Logic also will do. Over. Now calculate. I already calculated. It will come minus 12276.4. Most probably correct. If wrong, we are going for alternate solution today in the main class at 7:30 class. There you will get once again get the same answer. By chance answer varies, I will tell you, go back and correct it. I told numerical mistake is not a big issue. Okay, therefore you can tell y max between A and B or between supports equal to 12276.4 by EI meter down is the answer. Okay, now as discussed earlier, I told you, as I explained earlier, for the entire beam, y max can be what? Either deflection at free end, left extreme free end C, or deflection at right extreme and that is this free end D, or y max between supports. Okay, now y deflection at C we already got. How much? It is 6310.5 by EI meter upward came. And deflection at D also we got. Where is it? Deflection at D is 738 by EI, that also came upward. And y max between support, just now you got 12276.4 by EI meter down. Okay. Now see, 6,300, 10,700, 12,000, not much difference. If this comes little more, then that will be more than this value. Therefore, last conclusion I write here, therefore maximum deflection for entire beam will be equal to 12276.4 divided by EI meter, which will be at how much from here between these 2 points, which will be at 9.0865 meter from left extreme and C. Okay. Now I'll conclude the class over. I will see these all I wrote for today's class yesterday. If you would have given that answer X yesterday, this all would have been over yesterday's class only. This extra extension not required. Today would have started fresh. But because of your laziness or not participation, this much is delayed. Okay, now today's class what I will do is, I will take D origin, take a section here, some extension is there. Before the class, I will prepare all the sketches and get all the value once again. There also, these all I will tell you how much X will change. See, when C is the origin, to get deflection at E, x equal to 8. When D is the origin, to deflection at E, x equal to how much? 11 meter. But even then, value will come same, y max will come same. See, today we got from left hand 9.0865. Therefore, when you do from right hand, I will ask in the class, it should come around 9.9135 meter. Why? If you, that point is stand here, if you get this distance, in the today's class, you will get this distance. When you substitute, same answer will come. If same answer is not coming, some calculation mistake, we will correct it. Nothing to worry, that is not a big issue. Okay, now we will meet today at 7:30 when I continue this class. Okay, thank you.